Kude maningi zindala zombili. Dubula magazini safa ngendlala. Hawu sesiphinde sibuyile njalo. Welcome guys to the Blue Heart Podcast. Proudly brought to you by Natic in the Shiseleng region. I'm your host today. My name is Chokozani aka Chores Makazi. Intwana kaBulawayo. I'm not alone in the studio namhlanje. I've got two experienced hey Nkosi yami ama-guest ami lahloniphekile. Let me give them the opportunity ukuthi anivusele la uthamela kuwona i-podcast yethu, the only podcast in the Shiselweni region. Ma-guest ami ngicela ukunika lithuba nizilethule nisho ukuthi nibobani, niqhamukaphi, nibhizi ngani?
Yokucala mina.
Ya, qale wena. Awu phela konke uzazazele bathi don't tatazele, zazazele.
Siyabonga
Yeah.
Mr. Dube.
Yeah.
Libito lami ngumthobisi ngakangongwane.
Yeah.
I'm the monitoring and evaluation officer
Oh yeah.
la khaya. Abanye mhlambe bangathi njenga ghost in previous episodes. But sengi-upgrade.
I-ghost yavela.
Namhla ngiyi-guest from ghost to
Yeah.
guest.
Cha solo i-ghost vele ngoba ngiyakubona solo udimile. Cha siyakwamukela to the podcast. Sicela ukuze umedemo la center.
Asivusele babukeli be-Blue Heart Podcast. My name is Ngetile Mkhonda, Prevention Officer la khaya kaNathiki. Dube ngikhona namuhla kutobuka tindzaba tekuhlukubetana ngetebulili.
Nkosi yami, amen. Thank you so much, my guests, for joining us in this Blue Heart Podcast today. Please, guys, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and also kuna le comment section laba, please. Yakho le ndzawo le for you to make a comment noma ngayini lesikhuluma ngako nje empilweni. That option is for you to say noma ngayini. Guys, hey, kukhona indzaba guys le khona manje kulamalanga man, angazi ukuthi kuthiwani. You know, in the past, you've been speaking about gender-based violence to an extent, lokuthi gender-based violence was declared a national disaster. But still, you know, as CSOs, as organizations, you know, hulumende, we have been trying by all means to see a lot communities, you know, and speak about gender-based violence. Hey, but iyaphikisa man. Ingabisala kuphi? Asisizona tengetile ngokubuka kwakho wena. You know, mase sibuka the escalating number of cases that are happening currently in the country. Ingabisala kuphi? Siqale lapho nje.
Angibonge TK, ngibonge nakuwe mbukeli we-Blue Heart Podcast.
Yeah.
Mina indzaba yekuhlukubetana ngiyibona ngathi isala kakhulu ngale ndlela lesikhuliseka ngayo.
Oh, okay.
I think kune-gap lenkulu ukuthi vele ngikhule kanjani mina as a person. Ngiyakhona yini vele ukuthi nasengisetinkingeni ngikhone ukudila nato noma uthole ukuthi sengikhetha ukuthi ngisale sengiba violent kulo muntu losuke advutane nami ngaleso sikhathi. Siyabuka nje Dube kulama case la khulako kulamalanga uyabona ukuthi akusasiko lula kuba ngumuntu wesifazane in the country. Uyabona ukuthi akusasiko lula nekungena ebudlelwaneni ngoba nje kulamalanga siyabona abantu besifazane bayabulawa, labanye kusuke kudindzaba tekuthi mhlambe sick relationship, labanye basuke bane-hope ukuthi dindzaba tematoho, but ekugcineni kwako konke ugcina sowutitfola sowushonile.
Yeah, man.
Angathi lokuthi ngathi ilahlekephi kahle kahle, maybe indlela lesikhuliseke ngayo yini kuthi ngoba nawukhuluma tindzaba tekuhlukubetana Dube, indlela umfana lakhula ngayo utawukhula acabange ukuthi indlela yekuphila. Nangabe nje ngibuyele emuva kancane, nangabe umfana wemfana utawukhula lakha athole ukuthi lakhaya asikhona ukuthi thina sibatali sikhulumisane, instead sibese siba violence, utawucabanga ukuthi indlela yempilo leyo.
Ukhuluma yena Dengetiwe and lokungichaza ngayo ukuthi uzama lokubhalansisa. Uyasho ukuthi vele hey, nyalo lama cases lesiwabonako, ukhazi labesifazane vele ngibo laba abangama victims kakhulu. But akusho ukuthi i-GBV i-one sided.
Yes.
Asesizwe ne-ghost yethu ukuthi yena angaphawula athini kunana indzaba le. Ngisho isala kuphi Mr. Mtho? Noma us as organizations we are not doing justice yini to disseminate information when it comes to mhlawumbe creating awareness in terms of gender-based violence, because we are trying by all means.
Yeah, ngingasho Mr. Dube
Yeah.
ukuthi partially naloko kuyasifaka sandla
Oh,
but
okay.
for me ngidawukhuluma from my opinion. It's
Oh
my
yeah.
opinion
Yeah,
because
I like that.
literature, there's a lot of literature
Oh,
out there. Lekhulumisa tona leti ndzaba leti ukuthi what are the causes and so on and so forth.
okay.
But mina, on my opinion,
Yeah.
ngicabanga ukuthi sengile simo lesi esiphila kiso
Oh
nje.
yeah.
Sibambo, a lot has changed over the years. Nemihambo yethu nathi nje simaswati sesayilahla because kade intimo leti kanjena ngase ngikhuluma amaqiniso datingendeki ngale
Yeah.
ndlela esetenteka ngayo.
Mm.
Ngicabanga loku adopter different cultures and different values and norms from other ngathi from letinye tive or ngifuna ukuthini
Other societies,
sesiphila
other countries.
ngendlela
Oh, okay.
yesilumbi
Oh
kakhulu.
yeah.
Ngisho kanjalo lokuthi
Eish.
fine we're pushing ukuthi akube ne-equality and whatnot, but i-equality sesi-interpreta ngendlela lengasiyo
Engakuse.
because
Okay.
noma ngabe singaba equal but
Yeah.
sonke between the two genders
Mm.
kunema-roles ladlalwa
Mm.
ngileyo gender naleyo
Yeah, okay.
gender. So ngiva ngathi kune-clash lekhona la kulama-rules ukuthi
Okay.
ngingowesifazane ngibhekeke ukuthi ngendeni nangabe sengisebudlelwaneni
Yeah.
nomuntu wesilisa.
Yeah.
Nami ngiwesilisa kubhekeke ukuthi ngendeni
Okay.
ngisebudlelwaneni nomuntu wesifazane. I think mina ilahleka lapho more
Yeah.
than anything.
Mm.
Nale push-ke lebe khona in past decades
Yeah.
zakuthola khona ukuthi we're pushing yona le notion ye-equality uthola ukuthi sekuphushwa kakhulu laba besifazane.
Yeah. Okay.
Laba besilisa sebasalele emuva and
Oh yeah.
it creates this notion mhlambe tingcomvente bam labasifazane ukuthi sebativa ngathi seba above laba besilisa. It's my opinion based on my observations.
Yeah.
Ngibuka nje indlela izinto letenteka ngayo. Nasibuka emisebentini most opportunities are now more afforded to the female
To the
gender
females.
more than the male gender.
But sifuna lokho, Ghost.
Ngiyakufuna,
Yeah.
but sekude kahle le balance nasobuka
Okay.
ngendlela sekwenteka ngayo
Oh,
yabona.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Nasibuka nje
Yeah.
these NGOs that come in
Yeah.
bathi alethe impuphuko and development and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Nawubuka indlela abacasha ngayo mostly
Vele
bacasha the females
sebaqasha lama
more than
females.
the males uyabona.
Oh, okay.
Uthola ukuthi
Okay.
kuhambe sisaphikisana la emangweni laba besifazane sebayenyuka laba besilisa sebemenza abonya yabona. And when it comes to the household kuyaklasha ukuthi lo wesifazane sotiva ngedulo nalo wesilisa. I think for me ifa lapho.
Yeah. No, yeah, cha. Uqhamuka enye i-dimension man ye-ghost man. Uyabona into yakuba i-ghost nyalo uyasidida ke nyalo, Ngicela ukunika nangokutengetile ngathi ukhona lokho omshisayo. But you know what I like about ngendlela lobeka ngayo, I like the fact ukuthi uyasho ukuthi this is your opinion. And ngendlela loyibuka ngayo malume, hey, nami sengize ngithi hey malume, sure. Ngicela ukunika nangokutengetile.
Ghost, as much as lolo kushoko kuliciniso,
Yeah.
but-ke nasibuyela emuva kancane ema-NGOs na-governments aze afike ekutheni umfana wentombazana abonakale ngazuthi
Okay.
sebasiphusha kakhulu nguletinto Ghost betenteka before.
Oh, okay.
Utawukhumbula ukuthi before umfana wentombazana bekathi nakakhula nje ngitelwe maybe sibabili, utawutfola ukuthi umtali vele i-priority leningi utayinika lo mfana.
Umfana.
Even ne-naming Dube nawe
Okay.
Ghost.
Yeah.
Utabanga uSimuzi mina ngibe ngifombi yenzile. Nguleto tinto leto letagcina wena Ghost tenta ukuthi umfana wentombazana bese ubonakala yena aphushekela phambili. Nathi siwe mina ngibona ngathi silive nawo wonke umuntu ubeka involve kwafike kwenteka inkinga khona. Because lo mfana wase so uyasala emuva kunaletinto lafundziswe tona yena.
Okay, but then I do understand. Ghost ujustifyela ama-males nangalana madam la ujustifyela ama-females, right? Okay, asasibuke nako.
Clarify,
Oh, okay.
justify
Oh, okay.
anyone.
Okay.
It's just
It's just an basic opinion.
observation.
Oh, okay.
Nakakusho angiphikisi.
Oh, yeah.
Vele kwakunjalo.
Oh, yeah.
But nyalo is seemingly things
Yeah.
that turned around.
Yeah.
Understand.
Okay.
Ngiko ngiva ngathi ifa lapho.
Okay.
In as much as beyifile katheni kusathiwa
Okay.
kushwe bafana bova nyalo
Alright.
sekutshintshiwe nyalo sekuphushwa
Okay.
laba besifazane.
But then now here's the thing now. ngifuna sikhulumele phezu kuma-examples, right?
Mm.
Yes, from le information le ngithola la kimi. Ithi-ke i-ghost, opinion of-ghost, lokwa besibona males dominating, yakubona?
Mm.
But then bese ngaboni ema-females aba-frustrated, mhlawumbe abangama-perpetrators, ashaya ama-males, abulala ama-males. But then now sesibona ama-females sekungiwo la dominate-ako, sesibona ama-males sekungiwo la njani,
Labo.
la ashaya lama-females, abulala ama-females. We have got practical examples nje. Nangu umfundisi nje,
Mm.
umfundisi sibonile ukuthi umfundisi ukuthi abantu ka-Facebook, yakubona?
Mm.
Alleged kuthiwa baka-rapper,
Mm.
kwatholakala ukuthi uyababulala.
Mm.
Nyalo futhi kutholakele futhi omunye thishela futhi la, yakubona?
Mm.
Sithini indaba le njalo?
Kuthini? Hhayi.
Mm.
Eish.
Nicabangani nina nje ase siqale ngayi-ghost, ngokubuka kwakho ghost, mhlawumbe as an M&E,
Yeah.
yeah, what do you think? Isalaphi?
Cha,
Asesibuke nje these two practical examples that you have seen recently.
cha mina ngiyayibeka phinze as an opinion,
Oh,
not as
okay.
an M&A. Lana ngiyi-guest cha.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Angithi as
Oh,
not
okay.
employee.
Okay.
Ngiyayikhuluma ngendlela
Oh,
engiyibuka
okay.
ngayo.
Yeah, yeah. That makes
Isikhathi
sense.
lesiningi wena Mr. Dube
Yeah.
siye thine si-react-e sekunalo monakalo
Oh,
as
okay.
a society, yabona.
Yeah.
And most of the time nangabe ngilo wesilisa lo wente budlangudlangu thide ukuthi sowente something,
Yeah.
leyo ndzaba iyondiza ku-social media i-spread like like wildfire. But ase switch around.
Okay. Eish.
Ulunake-ke ukuthi nangabe sengilo wesifazane lo wente something to the maid,
Kuthi nje
ujike
1 week, 2 weeks, kuthi
kuphele,
ma.
uyabona.
Oh, okay.
Thine as emabhodza mina ngekubuka kwami in
Yeah.
society ngingathini,
Yeah.
asinakekeleki kahle
Oh, okay.
in terms of our emotional noma our mental health.
Oh, okay.
Angisho kanjalo
Yeah.
nale ndlela lesikhuliswa ngayo vele kuthiwa imvuza ayikhali,
Indoda ayikhali.
funa igcine in kanti
Mm.
ake sikhume emaqiniso,
Yeah.
kwanathi simavutha we have ema-emotions just like
Yeah.
abesifazane,
True.
siyalimala
Yeah.
emoyeni
Power to that, yeah.
njengabesifazane,
Yeah.
yabona timvo siyati-memorize timvo leti sidimatile
Yeah.
just like labesifazane.
Yeah.
Ngifuna kubuya-ke la kunayindzaba yaZwane
Yeah.
ukuthi Zwane mhlambe nje Nkosi yami nekunestela
Oh, yeah.
labashonelwe tihlobo Nkosi yami,
Yeah.
ngithi angikusho lo
Yeah.
kuZwane sesibuya njalo sithi okay angiyadi yonke le ndzaba yaZwane.
Yeah.
Ngike ngeva nje ukuthi wakhuluma ngekuthi walinyatwa asakhula naye umuntu wesifazane yini,
Okay.
I don't know how true it is,
Okay.
but-ke ngakuthenini thina we bury a lot of things
Inside.
singayikhulumisi
Singakukhuluma.
simavutha.
Oh, okay.
Kufanele ukuthi nasekutiveta sekutiveta
Besta.
kabi,
Oh, okay.
uyabona.
Yeah.
Mina nje Zwane ngiyasola akusiko ukuthi mhlambe it's one scenario ukuthi mhlambe walinyatwa ngumumvu munye, something le yenteka
That has been happening for a long
over
time.
years. Le ngiva ngathi
Yeah.
for men kuze aphume kule
Mm.
state of mind yokuthi bagcine seba-exploda ngendlela yokuthi sebagcine sebabulala the opposite sex,
Yeah.
bethi balinyatwa ngilabanye emuva.
Okay.
Siyadinga simavutha to have forums whereby
Oh, yeah.
we talk about such issues.
Yeah.
I think nasingayibamba kanjalo
Yeah.
Mr. Dube
Okay.
singene into the root of the issue,
Yeah.
singabuki the consequences bese sesithi Zwane waba wrong, yena u-wrong siyavuma,
Yeah.
but let's
Yeah.
look at ukuthi ufike njani
Ufike
Zwane
njani la?
ekuthenini aze afune kubulala
Yeah.
wonke
Yeah. Yeah.
othathewethu,
Yeah.
uyabona.
Yeah.
So I think asinasinganaka kakhulu le mental health yemavutha. I think
Emadoda,
ngabe
yeah.
ukuthi siyabinza
Siyabinza. Then
siyadinga
la
lokhu
sikhuluma
khutshwa
khona.
ukuze
Yeah.
sikhone ukukhuluma.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think nasingayibamba lapho.
Cha, waze wayibeka kahle. So ngendlela oyibeka ngayo Ghost kuvuka also something to tengetile ukuthi mhlambe mangasitshela some of the root causes of labo gender based violence, uyakubona ukuthi kubangwa yini lokuthi umuntu agcine vele sekahlukumeza omunye umuntu, uyakubona? Because also I want to believe ukuthi wena Mtho ngeke umane usuke nje nyalo uhlukumeza omunye umuntu, uyakubona? Kukhona there are underlying factors. Ingabe ngokubuka kwakho tengetile noma you have been in the field for quite some time, yini osukubonile wena as something that drives abantu yabo, to become perpetrators of gender-based violence.
Eish,
Mm.
angibonge TK, mhlampe ngingakaphenduli umbuto wakho,
Oh,
ngicela
oh,
ukungeta la
oh, okay.
endzabeni yaGhost.
Yeah.
Sililela kakhulu indzaba leyenteke kubantu besifazane
Oh,
kula
yeah.
malanga lendlulile.
Yeah.
But-ke as much as sithi kuzwane maybe tikhona tintfo letenteka before, cause kunanetinsolo tekuthi namakwakakhe kukhona lapho
Oh, okay.
angahamba ngakhona kwaba nebantfwana. Bekungasiso sizathu sekuthi aze agcine akhipha imiphefumulo yebantu
Oh, okay.
labangakamenti lutho.
Okay.
Lentfo le Dube it also speak to kule ndzaba layishoko Ghost
Ghost, yeah.
ukuthi umfana wemfana nakakhula utshela ukuthi ungakhali kungentiki ini. Tonke letintfo tenteka kuye lo muntu, uyakubona lo.
Yeah.
Sine sitawubonana emva kwaloko la kushoko ukuthi indzaba yemuntu lomduna nakayente ivele iphume igcwale. Thine sesibona lokho. Kani lo muntu tiningi letinto letisuke tentekile. Kepha-ke ngicela kugcizelela ababukeli. Kute nayinye intfo lefuna yenteke lengenta ukuthi uze ugcine udecide ukuthi sengetile akuphele ngaye namuhla. Bese-ke sesibuya endzabeni yokuthi lokhu kubetana mbambambamba kubangwa yini. Dube tiningi tinto letenta ukuthi kugcine kuhlukubetene.
Okay.
Ikakhulu angikhulume ngala kuma-relationships.
Yeah.
Kuma-relationships kakhulu lokwenta ukuthi thine ngicela kubuka esayidini lemuntu wesifazane.
Oh, okay.
Kakhulu ngulokuthi utfole ukuthi asilingani la emaseleni lekuba nemali.
Imali. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yeah.
Imali isifakile sandla kakhulu endzabeni yekuhlukubetana, financial abuse. Lo muntu sisebudlelwaneni uyangati vele mhlampe ukuthi angikhoni kanganani. Utawusebentisa the material things ukuthi vele noma sekungentekani sisi akasakhoni kuhamba ngalokuthi utawubuka ukuthi ngitawuhamba ngiyephi ngoba vele angikhoni kuphila without this person. Angikhoni mina nje ngidiphendele kuye. Lapho vele ngidawuba sengiyabuka nangihamba ngidawenta kanjani. Uphindze ubone ukuthi lento le iphindze ikhulumise kakhulu kukhulisa umntwana wentombatana ngendlela yokuthi akakhone kutimela. Cause nangabe ngiyakhona nje kutimela ngitawubona ukuthi uyathi lana ngisaphatheki kahle. Uyathi asisaphilisani ngendlela lengiyo naGhost. Kufuna ukuthi ngikhweshe kani nangabe vele for me to survive ngiyamdzinga Ghost. Ngidatithola vele shikisha tandla noma ngangiyabona ukuthi uyatini lana kumatima angikhoni kuphila.
Ngiyabonga ama guests am. Guys, you are still tuned in the Blue Heart Podcast. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Cha, balingani niyiteka kahle kamnandi. But ke ngisase kule ndzaba yona le GBV ama guests ami noma nje ngicela ukuyibeka la kuye Ghost. Nginalokuthi mina Ghost, you know, as sibantu, you know, we have families, you know, we have friends, we have neighbors, you know, sihlala emangweni, you know, and nako lokuthi whatever you're doing, somebody out there khona la kubonayo ukuthi no lana ngathi sokunenkinga, uyakubona. Ngicela ukusebenzisa igama lokuthi kunama bystanders, uyakubona. But kunako lokuthi Ghost, from your view, why do you think bystanders are often hesitant to step in when they witness ukuthi lana ngathi sokunenkinga e-GBV lana?
Ngiyabonga Dube. Maybe sicala nje sikhulumise le ndzaba yalo mthetho ukuthi
Oh, okay.
umthetho uthini kule ndzaba yekuba i-bystander. Kusemthethweni babukeli Nkosi yami indzaba yekuba i-bystander ukuthi nangabe ubone kuhlukubeteka noma usola ukuthi mhlambe kunekuhlukubeteka thide mhlambe kamakhelwane noma khona la mmangweni lokubonakho. Umthetho uyakuphocelela ukuthi hambe uyokubika ukubetana lokusolako noma lokubonile. Lo mthetho wethu weSodom section 70. Bengicabanga ukuthi kubanga ukuthi bafofole ukuthi bagcine banga-report. Kubuyela khona kulezi ndzaba tema-power dynamics ukuthi utfole ukuthi lona unelimasela mhlambe etindzabeni tetimali lakhaya mhlambe nguye lothela ubudlosa noma lobhadala ama-bills and so on and so forth. Uyitfole ukuthi laba labakubonako lokuhlukubeteka kwenteka kuba lukhuni lokuthi bagcine baku-reporta ngalokuthi
Okay.
basaba ukuthi batawuluza these benefits
Oh, okay.
they are getting from
Yeah.
leyo perpetrator.
Yeah.
Lokhu-ke bese sekuchubekisela embili lokuhlukumezeka kwaloyo mfundi kungaba ngumfana isikhathi esiningi
Oh, okay.
kuye kube bafana
Yeah.
ama-cases lesiwabonile
Yeah.
ukuthi sebagcine bayabinza
Okay.
kuyachubekela embili kuloyo mfana kwakhe leso silonza kungaba ngumfana wentombazana kungaba ngumfana wemsana
Umfana, yeah.
ngoba nje ngiko ngithi le ndzaba nje yazwana i-deep kunalokhu lesikubonako thina ngakhaya ukuthi nje zwana ekuhlukumedayo kwakhe kwaqala le ukhula nayo le trauma.
Oh, okay.
Yabo solo iya-build up
Yeah.
such that
Yeah.
kude nala khona akhuluma ngeke ngigcizelele ukuthi lezi
Okay.
platforms ema-votes ukuthi akhone kuhlangana
Hlangana,
abhobokelane
abhobokelane.
angigcoka
Yeah.
kakhulu
Yeah.
yabo because
Yeah.
kuke waba khona nje la khuluma naye ezwane mhlambe ngetimo
Yeah.
letimhlukumeza ngekhaya
Yeah. Yeah.
angiboni ukuthi ngakule simo la kiso
Oh, okay.
ngoba
Okay.
wavula that forum ukuthi akhone
Akhona lokukhuluma, yeah.
yeah so basically mina ngibuka ngathi
Oh, okay.
kubangwa ngilokho
Oh.
ukuthi bami bagcine bangareport ngilokuthi le-perpetrator sikhathi lesiningi umuntu
Umuntu lo close lo lakhaya.
ngalesi
Oh,
ngisi
yeah. Oh, yeah.
lakhaya yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, thank you so much. Mhlawumbe Tengitile nawe ungangeda ngoba I want to believe ukuthi niyakufundisa lokho ama-communities lokho yabo the importance of reporting yabo and omunye mhlawumbe omunye uyazibuza ukuthi hey ngingareporta mina what if le perpetrator azi ukuthi ku-report mina yabo ngiphephe kanganani mina.
Asibonge TK siphinde
Yeah.
sibonge nakuye umbukeli we-Blue Heart Podcast.
Yeah.
Mhlambe kungaba nje kucinisekisa kumbukeli ukuthi
Yeah.
nawupota kuhlukumezeka kakho
Yeah.
ikakhulu kithi thina lesisebenta kaNathiki
Yeah.
uphephile ku-100%.
Oh, okay.
Nalokuthi Dube
Yeah.
kulicala vele kulomthetho lokhulunyiswa nguGhost
Ghost,
ukuthi
yeah. Yeah.
ubone uve utshelwe bese wena awusapoti.
So okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Kulicala kulomthetho uyahamba uyoboshwa
Oh, okay.
kwanawe uboshwa kanye nalo muntu
Yeah.
losuke ente lokokucala.
Oh, okay.
Mhlambe ke nekuveta kumbukeli we-Blue Heart Podcast ukuthi emimangweni lesisebentela kuyo siyinhlangano kaNathiki
Yeah.
sinayo imikhono yendlunkulu ema-social service workforce
Oh, okay.
lesisebentisana nayo
Oh.
lapho khona ungakhona ukuthi ubike.
Oh, okay.
Mhlampe nekugcizelela nje ukuthi letindzaba leti nasetibikiwe kumcoka lokuthi tihambe ngendlela yato ngoba Dube nje angeke uthathe Nkosi yami indzaba angibatseleli angeke nje uthathe indzaba yokuthi umfana uhlukumezeke ngetelicansi
Yeah.
uhambe uyoyibika
Yeah.
mhlampe kubandla ncane.
Oh, okay.
Ngalokuthi le ndzaba lena ngisho idzinga umthetho umfana kumele amikiswe esibhedlela kumele kuyobikwa le ndzaba leyo sho ukuthi kufuna ukuthi wena ubike to the relevant people ukuze lo mfana athole kusitakala ngesikhathi lesingiso
Yeah.
aphindze akhone ukuthi ahambe aye emtholampilo.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Nalokuthi nje nekugcizelela ukuthi le ndzaba naseyifikile phela kimi akusiyo indzaba yokuthi sengitawuhamba ngiyikhulume naDube ngiyikhulume naTyson.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukuthi ngente isiciniseko sekuthi ngiyamvikela lo
Oh,
muntu
yeah.
ngoba lokuhamba ngiyikhuluma phela senginika perpetrator sikhathi sekuthi sekangenta bungoti noma sekangagcina sekabaleka
Oh,
naye.
yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, power to that. Ngicabanga ukuthi vele sovele wayithenza la bengifuna ukuthi uyikhulumise Tengitile indaba ye-referral uyakubona because ungakhanza ukuthi le bystander iyafuna loku-reporta but yabo that person doesn't know ukuthi kahle kahle ngiqale kuphi noma le ndzaba le kanjena ngiyireport kuphi. Mangibuka isikhathi sami malingana ngathi sesiyangishaya. Angazi noma i-ghost khona mhlambe la afuna ukungigeda that can actually help ababukeli nababukeli i-Blue Heart Podcast concerning the issue esikhuluma ngayo namhlanje indaba ye-gender based violence in the communities.
Ngiyabonga Dube I think mhlambe lo sokusele
Yeah.
unayo indzaba ye-dividend
Oh, okay. Yeah.
i-widespread indzaba ye-dividend bese siyithinzile ingena kule ndzaba yema-bystanders
Oh, okay.
ukuthi siphocelelekile ukuthi si-report
Yeah.
mangabe khona lesikubonako but-ke culturally vele thine
Yeah, ngisafuna ukuya lapho
sibakhula
culturally.
abamnyama
Yeah.
imvo lehlaza likhaya besiye vele siyifihle
Yes.
but-ke leti khathi setitshintshile manje
Oh, okay.
and-ke siyibonile imiphumela yalemvo ye-dividend ukuthi bamfana bakhule bane-anger banekunyanya yabona ngithi abazange bayithole i-justice mhlambe
Okay.
ngetimbo letendeka kibo.
Yeah.
So mina bengingathi amagama ami ekugcina asiphumele
The
dividend
dividend, yeah.
silimata laba ikakhulu kuye kulimale labantwana
Labantwana, yeah.
umntwana kakhulu ane-anger simanga yokuthi lona utshintshe nini waba silwane ngane engina-involve naye le ngazange ikhulunyiswa
Yeah.
liyendeka kuye asakhula. So
Yeah.
mina bengingathi amagama ami ekugcina nje babukeli asiphumele enzabeni
Yeah.
ye-dividend siyabalimata labantwana.
Yeah, siyabonga Ghost. Tengetile, sicela ukuzwa amagama akho okugcina bese uyavalelisa nawe.
TK nawe Ghost, mina emagama ami ekugcina ukuthi nje umuntu uyati man uyabona nawe na usebudlelwaneni lapho khona kunekuhlukumezeka khona ngandlela thide, zama kuthola lisito uphume usaphila.
Yeah.
Ungameli ukuthi mhlambe kutawentekayo imagik thide ukuthi usitakale, tisave wena uzame kuthola lisito. Bese-ke emagameni ami ekugcina kubantu besifazane, sekumatima kuba umuntu wesifazane kuleli vele eMaswati. Yebo siyafuna ukuba sebudlelwaneni mandube. Phopha angithi ngimthola lo muntu wami lengimbona la kuboma-social media. Ngento esiciniseko phela sekuthi utawenta njani ngesiciniseko. Initiator labo video call.
Oh yeah.
Ungahambi uye kuye kude umuntu lo watiwe ukuthi Tengetile namuhla uyobona Ghost.
Yeah.
Akube khona lo watiwe ukuthi Tengetile namuhla uyobona Ghost, batawubonana kuphi. Ngiphindze ngishaye ukuthi sengifikile kuGhost sikuphi. Uze kube lula nasekuthiwa sengiyanyamalala.
Yeah man.
Ngalokuthi-ke ngicela ngingeda
Yeah.
Mr. Dube ngalokuthi ngeke mani ufuna ukuthi nikhulume nje only on social media.
Oh okay.
Seniyahamba niyobonana kokucala and niyobonana in a private setting nje. Nalapho khona
Social media man. Ile social media man Ghost man.
kungahambi kahle khona.
Yeah.
Ngithi ngiyokumitha for the first time solo sikhuluma social media noma ngabe sibenda bo video calls over the phone but siyamithana for the first time simithana kakho in a private setting. Cha bo thathu wethu ngicela sikuqapheleni lokho ngosana. Thina vele siyadiscuss emlonyeni singaconvince.
How social media?
Social media.
Nicabangani ngaso social media because nayo iyasifaka sandla lapho. Because mawusethi uyabukisisa ngisho onke lama cases lawo. Yakubona you mentioned something mawuqala waba like lesikhathi sesiphila kiso manje safana lesikhathi sakudala. Lesikhathi samanje sesi-influence le social media. Asasithi nje 2 minutes nje indaba social media.
Hey, social media is limited.
Yeah. What role does social media play? I understand it plays a positive role, but also there's a negative part when it comes to gender-based violence.
Mina nje ngingayibuka ekuthenini most of the generation lesekhula ngonyaka i-influence kakhulu
social media.
And it's a form of programming because nasibuka vele ingcombe ifana nemshini icomputer uyabona the information lesiyifida la nasifuna ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhicite something itawuproducer based on what I fed into this machine. So ingqondo nayo ikanjalo letimbo lesitibukolayo on social media sithi internalize it manifesta in the way we do things, in the way we treat others nendlela nasi lesibona ngayo sibamva uyabona. So i-social media ngisho ukuthi inabo ubuhle bayo phinzi inabo kuye ngekuthi wena as an individual what do you use social media for? Now isebenzisela ukuthi mhlawumbe unakela abanye abantu ukuthi baphila kanjani ngiyabekisa so uyahawukela nawe sofuna ukuphila the same way. So ufuna indlela tekuthi mhlawumbe ungene ebudlelwaneni nalomunye ngethi nawe ufuna kufana nalabanye and awungeneli ukuthi uyamthanza lo muntu. It creates le timvo lesesitibona nyana ukuthi bamfisa sitaba emabhuthini
kubuhlungu man
because iqiniso lithi ngeke sikwendekele
okay
yakubona. So i-social media for me I think there's a need for uhulumende ukuthi abe nendlela yokuyi-regulate le ndlela lesiyisebenzisayo
social media
singayiyekeli nje irane
noma kanjani nje
noma kanjani yabona because sinebamfana that are easy to influence and i-social media is so powerful kwanami ngimdzala ngiye ngibona sometimes ngithi khanze for ukuthi ngiyascrolla trying that 30 minutes ngikhangisengele 2 hours
hours hey
kwema-reels kwakhona lokhu. And even weske TikTok ma-short form videos,
okay
it decreases in concentration yabantwana such that even nasesikolweni ama-pass rates ehlile esikolweni. Abantwana they can't concentrate because they focused a lot on short form videos. I-concentration span yabo seyincane kakhulu.
yeah
Yiko nje sibona i-failure rate ngathi iyenyuka.
okay
So kunengi mantu-ke i-social media la isibulele khona.
Yeah.
Inebuhle bayo siyavuma
Yeah.
because sesiyakhona neku-advertisela
Exactly. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
khona
yeah.
uku-advertiser on social media
Yeah.
uyobhadala i-marketing company and so on and so forth. Kunebuhle nebubi bakhona. I think we need to regulate lo bubi bakho. Ukuthi how can we mitigate la ma-negative effects
Yeah.
ayo.
Ha. Kuyevakala Mthobisi. Iyasitengedile ngakuvalele ngaphandle.
For me, i-social media ngiva ngathi as much as ikahle TK na gossip, but ngiva ngathi ifike ya-replace letinye tinfo. Cause isikhathi lesiningi sisetingcingweni. And then ngithi asithola njani isikhathi sekuthi ngihlale nemntanami ngibe ngimtali kulo mfanami. Ngiyite leso sikhathi angikhoni nekubona ukuthi ema-homework kuhamba njani, akakhoni naye ukungibhobokela ukuthi akhulume nami ngema-challenges lawa aface-ayo. Ngiyite nje ngihlala ngisecingweni. Ngitawubona njani vele nangabe lo mfanami sewukhona Zwane lo thide asidibane nakaphuma esikolweni.
Hey.
Ngisayida naGosi ukuthi maybe vele uhulumende tikhona tinfo la kufuna ukuthi atende ku-regulator le use of social media as much as bantfwana batidzinga vele tincingo letinabo internet. Wena as umtali lotsenge leli cingo, how far do you go vele kuleli cingo lemali yakho? Yes.
Kodwa sibatali vele sesishiya kuhulumende nje Mr. Dube ngisi labalwimi.
No, it's okay.
Kwanathi sibatali sibayekelele mani bambani.
Yes,
Sibayekelele kakhulu ukuthi bangene nje i-health ngendlela abafuna ngayo.
But ile generation ghost.
No,
Yeah,
TK,
but it's
bacala
generation.
lasebakhona nyalo bayatikhulisa, literal bayatikhulisa. We are too busy, siyaposta, emathabelangoti ayabona ukuthi tengetile uhambile useDurban, nginebantfwana mhlampe ekhaya.
Okay.
Umuntu usoyakhona kungena Entebube emfaneni. Ngale social media maybe vele uhulumende kuyadzinga ukuthi sekake aregulate ukuthi imithetho lekumele ukuthi as much as simsebentisa social media but kuthi ngeka maybe kube nema-rules ataba khona. Tiningi letinfo letimoshekako through lo social
media.
Abatali basola ukuthi abatali nabo badedele emuva kakhulu.
Yes.
Because nayo incingo ithengwa ngini.
Yeah.
Athi bese kuba lukhuni ukuthi umfana wakho umtshele nje ukuthi wena letha licingo hambo udadisha.
Yeah.
Kuba lukhuni.
Kuba lukhuni.
Ngiyakubona.
Eshibona
Semningi lo msebenzi.
Muningi kakhulu ngoba enza beniyebatali nje even nala kuma-communities nasihamba Dube uve umtali athi ngihlushwa ngumfana. Vele ngale ndlela lasho ngayo uyambona ukuthi uyati ulimele bese udibuta nawuthi uyalandzelela kunganani la kwentile Thokozani. Ngoba ngeke bese so expecta as much as nathi singinathi siya kuyofundzisa ikakhulu ensheni nasetikolweni but inkulumo yekucala mina nje ngisakhumbula emavi emntali wami la ngitshela wona. Emagama le umfana la asuke nawo ekhaya ngiyo lamcoka bathi teni sine sitawuthola 30 minutes sifike sithi ngale believe ukuthi phela kukhona tengetela asuka nake ekhala kuphethe. But ke batali too busy batichubekela nebantfwana netinfo tabo bantfwana bayatikhulisa kwenteka yonke lento leyenzakalako ngalokuthi umntali vele so ushintshile. Yebo bantfwana siyavuma abeva but wena as a parent wenteni ugcine ngalokukhuluma noma vele nje awungenelani uthi hawu bakhona bona athi kukhona uhulumeni kuneligama lekuye bathi hawu bantwana phela bahulumeni umangale ukuthi hawu shothi lo mntali vele akasakhoni nekuthi umfana wakhe nakangenti kahle athathe eliswati asuse buwula ngalokuthi umfana phela sewahulumeni.
Ivale mfana. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Siyabonga kakhulu. It was an insightful conversation. The information enisinikeze yona namhlanje it was so valued. Guys, please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to the Blue Heart Podcast. sesiyayivala namhlanje. Please guys, say no to gender-based violence, and also please prioritize your mental health. Mangabe kukhona lokukuhluphako, thola umuntu longahlala naye phansi, umbhobokele ukhulume naye. You can also visit Kanatik. Our services are for free. Ubuye uzothola i-counseling. Thank you so much. God bless you.